animate text. As soon as you log in into Recast Studio, you are going to see this dashboard. I'll click on create a video. Yeah, for now I'm going to use some kind of a stock video just to show you this thing as an example. Yeah, in this I have added a background media. Okay, I'll just click this fit to screen so that I can see the entire layer. Now all I want to do is, let's say, add a text on this. So I'll just click on this button, add text, right? I'll position it in a place where I want. Kid friendly cosmetics. Let's say I'm selling a cosmetic product and this is the kind of video I want to make. I added this, but now I want to animate this text and I want this entire text to be in one line. So I'll just increase the size, put it here, and I'm not able to read this font exactly, so I want to add a background color. I'll go here and let's say use a color similar to the palette of the video, which is something like this, maybe like this. Yeah, this will suit. And I'll change the color of the font to, let's say, white. This is also fine. Okay, so let's say I want to animate this text. I'll click on animate. There is an entry animation and an exit animation, and I want this entry animation to slide in from the right side of the screen, so I'll just say slide in from right. Okay, so I'll show you a preview. This is how it will look, right? And I want this to yes, friendly cosmetics, 120 shades available. Black Friday sales begins today. Yeah, I think I should add an exclamation at the end.